Just a quick video here. So I've got this issue, and I thought it was my Agnus chip, but it's actually the socket. I'll see if I can show you the error. Okay, so this is Battle Squadron. It looks pretty good. If we go across here and we go to Silkworm, I'll pause it. Okay, so if I run Silkworm, you'll see the error exactly. So Silkworm runs, and then black screen. There you go. Sometimes, but look, if we take this over here and we have a look, we grab the back of that socket and we fiddle with it a bit. Well, we've got nothing. And we've actually crashed the computer. So yeah, that's an issue. So we'll boot back up. This is my little Magellan launcher. So after it goes online, it'll load these desktops. I've got 4 of them loaded. Okay, so having said that, we've got an issue with the Agnus socket. But what I've managed to do is to go Frodo RGB. I think I'm going to go CRT equals CRT / skate rock. Ooh, what is that? Okay, skate rock. So we'll launch that, and there you go. So you see the glitching, that's because of the... That's because of my Agnus chip. So I'll upload this, and you should be able to play your pretty authentic on the RGB out there. You can tell it's my computer having an error here. I've got to play around with the socket, but I don't want it too much. Oh, there you go. Crashed it. So there you go.